What's going on, guys? Here we're going to go over the 4 best jobs for high school graduates with expected job growth. Please make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in. I can send you a link, or I could do a tutorial and send it to you as well. So let's get into number 1. Physical therapist aide. Median salary $27,000. These professionals support physical therapists and physical therapy assistants, often taking on some of the least skilled work, including sanitizing treatment areas and performing office tasks. Many receive on-the-job training that can last from a week to a month. It's a job that's in demand as the healthcare industry thrives as the baby boomers age. There's room for advancements in the sense that some physical therapist aides continue their education to become physical therapist assistants or physical therapists. Pharmacy technician, median salary $33,950. This is a very important job in which you'll measure, mix, count, and label medicine. You do have a pharmacist overseeing things, but this isn't a job for the absent-minded. It is for someone who likes helping people get healthy, stay healthy, and for people who enjoy interacting with members of the public. Personal care aide, median salary $25,280. Personal care aides help people with chronic conditions accomplish everyday tasks like making the bed and bathing. Some positioning requires high school diploma certificates from relevant community college programs. Additional training, perhaps at the Certified Home Health or Hospice Agency, may include CPR certification. You might work in a client's home, a group home, or perhaps at a day service program at a nursing facility. It could be a challenging job that is physically taxing, and it may involve working with people with moods across the spectrum. Maintenance and repair worker. Median salary $39,080. These jack-of-all-trades taking care of a range of systems from electrical circuits to plumbing and painting. Most maintenance and repair workers develop expertise through apprenticeship and are licensed to work independently. So if you enjoy fixing things, this could be a fulfilling job, assuming there's a wide variety of equipment or machines to repair. If, for instance, you're working at a college, an apartment complex, or an airport, you work on a lot of different things, sometimes indoor and sometimes outside, and not feel as if every day was the same. So there go the 4 best jobs to get out of high school, get certified for. Many thanks for taking some time out to check out my tutorial. There will be a links in the description below. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any new training certification courses you could take to further your career. So keep learning. It's Marky Williams, and I'm out.